Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a simple evening routine at home. We're starting by cooking dinner. I'm making pasta with vegetables, which is one of my favorite meals. I've got my gluten-free pasta in some boiling water, and for the sauce I'm going to make a pesto of sorts. So I've got some pine nuts, some garlic, lots of basil, and I like things to be a bit textured, so I'm putting this through a chopper and not making it into a paste. I'm adding some olive oil, some lemon, some Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. So the pasta is boiling, the sauce is ready. I'm going to keep this aside, added a little bit of water to it, and then I'm going to start chopping my vegetables. The pasta takes about 10 minutes, and then I run it through cold water to stop the cooking process. I'm going to heat up some olive oil, some butter, and then throw in the veggies. I'm not going to cook them for too long because I don't want them to get mushy, just about 3-4 minutes. Then I've added the sauce, cooked it down for 2 minutes, and then added the pasta. Make sure I've seasoned everything, and I'm going to just cover this and let it cook on a low heat for about 2 minutes, and dinner is ready. It's time to do my skincare. I usually do my skincare first and then do a shower, which may seem a bit strange unless I'm washing my hair. In that case, I do the reverse. I'm using the Ordinary Squalane cleanser. I don't have any makeup on today on my skin, like no foundation or concealer or anything, just sunscreen. So I'm going to massage this well and then use a damp cotton cloth to wipe it all off. And I love this cleanser because it's nourishing, but it doesn't leave any sort of residue behind. Quick break to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes on pretty much every subject under the sun. I find it quite relaxing to do art projects, and I've found some amazing watercolor classes on Skillshare. This is such a fun platform to be, but it also has classes that will help you invest in your personal growth. So there's something for everyone here. There are classes for literally every skill, but my personal favorites are usually the art ones. I find them so relaxing and a great way to take out some time for self-care. I've got an amazing offer for you guys. The first 1,000 people to sign up using my link will get the first month free. Coming back to skincare, I'm going to use an exfoliant. I love the Paula's Choice 2% BHA. This helps with blackheads, pimples, and rough and bumpy skin texture. I use it at least twice a week. Then for the eye cream, I'm using the Biossance one. This is really nice. It's hydrating. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light either. And when I don't have any specific concern, this is the one I like to reach for. So eye area moisturized. For the face, I'm going to use a nourishing serum tonight, and this has got ceramides in it. This is the Glow Recipe one. I'm going to link all the products I have used in the description box. I like using a ceramide serum and a nourishing moisturizer whenever I'm using an exfoliant, just to balance out any sensitivity that the exfoliant might cause. This moisturizer from Estee Lauder is one of my favorites for evening because it is so nourishing and softening on the skin. For lip balm, I've been loving the Laneige one recently. I've got this in 2 variants, but this one is my favorite. So skincare done. Skin's feeling good at the moment. It's feeling nourished, clear, hydrated, and plump, which is really all I want from my skin. Let's go and have a quick shower now. I find that it really helps me sleep. I have sleep issues and I've had them for years now, and I find that also doing like a nice body oil after a shower also helps me relax. I'm going to light a candle and get into bed. I've got a new book to read, and Manny, as always, is chilling with me on the bed. Another really relaxing thing to do is chill with Manny on the bed before we go to sleep. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon in my next vlog.